So let's continue. Today we'll talk about strings, how to handle strings in Python. Okay. So first thing, strings can be written in multiple ways. Okay. You can declare a string, let's say str1 equal to single quote, hello, how are you? Or you can declare string2 like I'm fine. Okay. You can declare using str3 equal to how are you today? Okay, and str4 equal to I am fine today. Okay, so all these are valid ways of declaring a string. Why do we declare string? We declare string to work with text data. Okay, we declare string to work with text data, and as I said, all these are valid ways of declaring, yeah, declaring string. Yes. Okay, what is the difference? Okay, so now if you see, there is no difference between first two, that is your
Yes.
single quote and double quote.
Huh.
Absolutely no difference. Okay, but if you look at your 3
Third.
and 4, okay, there is no difference. So there is
Hmm.
no difference between 2 and 3 and 4 and
Three.
5, but there
Yeah.
is some difference between uh,
Two.
3 and 4. Okay, that means, okay, triple quote and single double, there are some difference is that your this one can go into multi-line. This can go in multi-line. Okay, so that means you can say, how are you today? Are you fine? Hope you feel better. Okay, you cannot do multi-line text using single double quote, but using this str3 you can do multi-line. Okay, and it's pointing to different p2. Okay, you can do, see, how are you today? Are you fine? Hope you feel better, isn't it? So we can handle, or we can do multiple line here using triple quote. Using triple quote only you can declare multiple lines the way you write. Okay, but if you're using single quote you cannot do that. You have to use slash n to go multi-line.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Huh.
Yes. So that's the difference between triple quotation and this one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And same goes here. I'm fine, expecting to do well. I am feeling better now. Okay. Now you cannot do same with here. That's the difference between these two. Okay.
You know, like string 3 and 4 are similar, right? Same
I'm saying you
meaning.
can do with triple quote.
Huh. Triple quote.
Yes. So triple quote you can write multi-line.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is your triple quote. This is your triple quote. So these two you can do triple quote. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is one way. Now second
Hmm.
thing you have to remember is here we can add two string. So if you have str1 and str2, you can say print str1 plus str2. str1 plus str2, if you do, it concatenates, it joins them together. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Okay. If you want to have space between them, you can have, one more string. Okay. So all these are string. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you have string and, so you can join the strings together. That's the property.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see all three are string. That's where we are able to handle it. If they were not, if these three were not string, it would have given us error. So you can only join strings. So this is called operator overloading. Plus is an operator. Plus,
Operator over there.
or yes, plus is an operator. Plus,
Okay.
okay. And first thing that we did using plus was we added two numbers together, isn't it? So when
Yeah.
you add two numbers together, so that is plus, and same plus is now being used to add two strings together. Okay, so plus we used plus to add two numbers together. Now we are using plus to add two
Two
strings
strings together.
together. Okay, so that's so that's one sign is doing two work. So when one operator does more than one work, we call it as operator overloading. Okay, so this is your operator overloading. Okay, now
So
yes,
you're giving space here after string one, so we need to give space or
no, it's not
it's
mandatory.
okay.
It's not mandatory. It's up to you how you want to use it. Okay, absolutely not
Yeah.
mandatory. Okay. So, okay, so this is how you add two strings together. Now you can, okay,
Hmm.
let's say, you can multiply a string. So let's say I'm fine, I want to repeat it 10 times. So str2 into 10 you do. Oops, what did I do? Into 10. So this is also operator overloading. You're overloading the operator. Okay, that means multiplication.
Of
Okay,
strings.
is done. Yes. So we have done only multiplication of float or
Strings.
integer, right? We are doing
Huh.
for string also.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Okay. So this is called again operator overloading multiplication. So you can multiply string like this.
And okay. So
Okay.
same like integer, we did with the string also, no?
Yes. Yes. So
Okay.
here string will repeat. Okay.
Okay.
5 into
Hmm.
5, 5 into 5 is a new number, 25.
Yeah. Right.
But here you don't get a
Yeah,
new,
don't get it. It's same
here.
only.
Yes, yes, correct.
Got it.
Okay. So, so this is one, okay. Now we have something called as in, okay. So let's say in operator, and there's another operator in, okay. Um, hello, right? So let's say I want to check if low in str1. So sorry, in is an operator, okay, just like plus minus. This is used to check if left side value is in right side or not. Left side value is in right side or not. Okay. So what is left side value here? LO. So I want to check if
And
LO is in,
string one.
yes, in string 1 or not.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'll do, okay, so let's run it and see. This will give us, okay,
True.
either true or false.
Oh,
Okay, it will give us either true or false. Nothing.
because of this in.
Yes. So is it in this or not? That's what it means. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I go here and when I run, you see low is in there here. So
Hmm.
is so that we got true. Okay. Now let's say
Hmm.
if I put, let's say a capital O. Okay. Here, let's say I put capital O. Now you tell me, will it be true or false?
It would be false.
It will be false, right? because we are
Mm.
always expecting it to be same matching
No, yeah.
matching text, matching character, okay, case to case basis. Okay, so
Mhm.
they're not matching case to case basis, so obviously you will get error like,
Yes.
okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so these are the operators that we have. Now we'll talk about what is called as indexing. Indexing or also slicing and dicing. Okay, here we are trying to read the value from the string. So let's say if you have str1, okay, str1, okay, and I want to read the first value of str1. So I'll say str1 square bracket 0. See, to read a value, it is always square bracket we use. We use always the square bracket. Okay, if you are reading. Now this concept is important because you will be using same concept even for list, tuple, numpy, pandas. Okay, numpy, pandas also, if you remember, we use square bracket only,
Huh.
right? So square bracket is used, okay, for square bracket is used for indexing or reading a value from the data, right? So if you're reading a value from the data, you only have, okay, square
Square
bracket
bracket.
to, yes, to use.
Yes.
Now, okay, so now let's say I want to do, okay, let me go, let's run it. We didn't run it, right? So it gave you H, right? Now let's say if I go, yeah, if I want O here, what should I give?
4, 4.
4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly.
4.
Exactly, you're right.
Yeah.
So we go and we give 4 here. Okay. Now, this also has a reverse indexing. We call it backward indexing. Okay. This also
Okay.
has backward indexing. What does that mean? What is the meaning of backward indexing?
Mean like from right to left. It can read.
Correct. Correct. Okay. So left to right, okay, we saw 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
From
so on. That is left to right. Similarly, you can do from right to left.
to left. It means
Okay.
minus sign. ऐसे होगा.
Minus sign. Yes. Okay. So it is -1, -2, -3, -4.
Hmm.
Okay. So if you come here, okay, let's say I want E here. So in str2, I will say
We can put -0 for E.
-0 होता है क्या? What are you
Yes,
talking?
okay, okay, right, right.
So
Zero
backward
only.
indexing always starts from -1. -0 is 0 only,
हाँ,
isn't it? And
I
we have
got it.
already used that in the forward indexing,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that's why it is not available in the backward indexing. Backward indexing, you have only from -1. Okay. And you have
Yeah,
-1, -2, -3, -4, so on. And when you come towards right, okay, you get -3, -4, right? Now you tell me,
yeah.
-1
Mm.
is bigger or -3 is bigger?
-1 is bigger.
-1 is bigger, sure?
Yeah.
Yes, -1 is bigger. So see, left side
Mm.
will always get lower value. See, in forward indexing, we called it
Uh,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the higher value on the right side. Here you are calling -1, -2, -3, so on.
-1.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're getting
Yeah.
-1, that is higher value. So higher value is always on the right. Lower value is always on the left.
Was on the left. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for E, like last letter of string, 1 or 2 maybe. So -1 is correct, right?
-1 is correct. Yes, you get the last letter, correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. So this is about accessing one member, right? Now, how about accessing series of value? Okay. So series of value means I want, say, how from here. I want how.
You want how? Okay. So,
Okay. So
so
you,
we,
go ahead.
sorry if I'm wrong, but what I
That's okay.
understand is print string 1 in
Let
bracket
me type
में we can put
print. Talking about str1.
print.
So str1.
Yeah.
Then
And can you go up? I need to count.
yes,
Yeah.
we want how, right? From str1.
So we can put 5, 6, 7.
नहीं, okay, continuous value है. So remember yesterday only we did, or day before, colon. Okay, we have to give colon from and to. This is about from and to.
Okay.
Okay.
So 0, 1. So 5 colon 6 colon 7. Likewise.
Yes. Yep.
Yes.
So tell me again, what did you say?
5 colon 6 colon 7. I
5
said
colon 8.
6.
See, colon means from
No.
and to. From and to mein kya? Do you mention all the places in
Okay.
between? No, it is always
Huh.
the starting and
No,
the
no.
ending.
Yes.
Okay.
But still, we need to start from 4 now because
And to start from 4, I don't
it,
know. You only said 5. That's what starting is
means so we
including,
start
ending
from
is
okay. So
excluding.
okay. So we start from 4 and end with 9. So it
Start
will
from 4,
give
end with 9.
9.
Okay, let's run it.
I hope. Yes.
No,
Why it's here written now?
उससे पहले क्या है यार?
Oh, 5 we need to start now. From 5 we need to start.
From 6 you need to start. 4 is
So
giving you
why?
O, 5 will give you space. So 6 have to start.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't count the space. That's why it happened.
Why didn't you count the space? नहीं दिखा तो नहीं है.
No, it is.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So yes. So this is how you can
Mm-hmm.
um
Add multiple string.
yes. Okay. So from and to.
Okay.
Okay. From and to. Okay. So starting is always including and ending is up to, right? So you say 6 comma 9. Now I want to do how in negative indexing. Then you tell me. I want to do from negative indexing.
So it's from -8.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm counting the space too. That's
You do it, and I'll whatever you say, I will put it here.
okay. So it starts from -8. And then -10. Your computer is not moving. -9. It's from -9. Couldn't -11.
Tell me again.
-9
-9
and -11.
-11. Okay. Let's see. So what do you get?
I will get how?
I don't say it's how, right?
Yeah, you're not saying, but you told me, no, same thing you want
Yeah, same
from.
thing I want. You're not getting anything.
Why?
See, first of all, you're going from -9. Fine.
Yes,
So -9, okay. -9 is greater or -11 is greater?
-9 is greater. Correct.
Huh. So you go from low to high or high to low?
High to low.
You go from high to low. This is from high to low.
No, it's low to high. But in minus, we have vice versa, no?
Minus also, I told you, -6 is greater or -1 is greater. I told you lower value is always on the left side, higher value is always on the right side. Even
Okay,
if you do
so
minus also, it's the same thing. Hmm? Didn't I tell
so
you?
the position of U is -1 only. Is it okay?
Yes.
है ना? So if we count U
Arey
is
yaar,
minus
what I'm saying you go from minus to plus or plus to minus, low to high or high to low,
low to high.
low to high. Then how can it be -9 to -11?
Yeah, okay. Got it.
Hmm?
So 1 minute just.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So am I audible? My Bluetooth is
Hmm.
disconnected. Okay, now I'm confusing minus वाला thing. What would be the answer here, sir?
First of all, you have to do -11 to -9. No, मैं क्या बोल
9.
रहा हूँ? It's low to high. So first of all, you have to do this one, no?
Yeah,
Then you see the output. Now you tell me, what should you
and
do?
it's wrong.
Logic क्या है? Low to high and ending
High,
is always one more.
one more. Yes.
Tell
So
me.
either -12.
राइट साइड एंडिंग होता है कि लेफ्ट साइड एंडिंग होता है, इतना भी नहीं पता आपको? विच साइड डू यू एंड? Logic is simple. You start from low, go up to high, okay? And the
Yes.
higher value is on the right side. Yes or no? And what
Yes,
did I
yes.
say? Ending is one more. So if ending
One
is
more.
one more, then should you do -8 or -12?
-8.
Then
Okay. Okay.
yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes. Good. Got it. Like because वो ऑपोजिट जाएगा ना HOW इधर से लेफ्ट से सही था बट राइट साइड से आई नीड टू गिव opposite. That's why I can.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, I got it. I'm considering it as HOW only, but I forgot कि वो WOH आएगा. That's why I got confused from here to here.
What did I tell you? Left side is always lower.
Lower, right. Left side is always. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how, okay. So the couple of more things. How do I get first three? How do I get first three values?
Three values of
Of what? STR1.
string one. So 0, colon 3. So you want values?
What is that? You tell me again.
I'm telling you कि 0, colon 3. From 0 to 3. First 3.
Say confidently, no, so that I'll write. I don't know. You're thinking or you're telling me, I don't know.
So I'm telling you 0 from 0
0,
to 3. To
0
3.
to 3. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, right? We want 0, 1, 2. So 0
Right.
to 3. Correct. That's right. Okay. Now, when you have 0, you don't have to mention it. Okay. You just have to say nothing. If you do
3.
nothing, it means it is from 0 only.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Now, okay. Now tell me how to get last three values.
Last 3 values.
Yes.
It's -3 only.
-3, which side?
From 2 -3.
From 2 -3.
Uh,
What will be on the
But
left
here
side of
minus.
colon?
Okay. 3. -6.
Still, I didn't get you.
-6.
-6?
Not here. Here, -6, and right side is -3 only.
-3.
Yeah,
What did I say?
-3.
Correct?
-3, हाँ. तो फिर मैंने गड़बड़ किया है. It's from -6 की जगह पे -4 आएगा एंड -3 की जगह पे -1 आएगा.
नहीं, आप मुझे लेफ्ट में क्या आएगा बताओ, उसकी जगह पे नहीं. लेफ्ट में क्या आएगा, राइट में क्या आएगा, ये बताओ आप मुझे.
ओके, सो लेफ्ट में -4, कलन राइट में -1.
-4,
4 and here -1.
-1.
Yeah.
So we want 3. You're getting 2 only.
Ooh,
So what is the ending value?
minus
Ending value should be 1 more, right?
Yeah. So -5 we can put.
-5 लेफ्ट में आएगा, राइट में आएगा यार.
सर लेफ्ट में
लेफ्ट, तुमको लेफ्ट जाना है कि राइट जाना है? व्हाट डिड आई से? राइट साइड शुड बी 1 मोर.
राइट टू लेफ्ट. सर why -1? -1 is like it's u only ना, u. So -1 तो as it is ही रहेगा. Here we can
What is the logic? What does logic say? Logic says right. See what you get here. What does logic say? Logic says right side, ending value. What is ending value? Ending value is always higher right side. Starting value is always lower left side. So which one should be higher, more than 1? Right side should be more than 1. Why are you thinking like
okay,
that?
that's
Yes.
fine.
That's not
But sir,
fine.
if
It is -3, not even -4. Okay, -3. You want third value. Left side is always including, is it not? Left side is always
always
including.
including.
Yes. So what should you put on the left side? -3, because you are starting from third value. You want third -1, -2, -3. Third is -3. Third is
-3 only.
-3 only. Correct?
Okay. Sir, can you run it?
I'll run it. But we are not done yet. YOU. So we need -1. So I need to go 1 beyond right. Correct? You can't go 1 beyond right. Right? So you leave it blank. Just like when you wanted to do from beginning, left side, if you don't put anything, it means beginning. Right side, you don't put anything, it means
Beginning.
it's end.
Okay, end.
Yes?
हाँ.
Now is it better?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how you do indexing. Now what we'll do is we will look at methods. Okay, methods are functions. So every class will have its own methods, right? And here if you talk about, if you say str1 dot, these are all the methods. So class method have to create the object, and object name dot will give you all the methods, right? So these are the methods of string. Okay. Okay, so you have split, is space. Okay, I'll just take one example. Lower. Lower, or let's say upper. Upper will convert entire text. str1 is hello, how are you, right? Everything will be converted to uppercase. That's what upper does.
Okay.
Okay. So when you run it, okay, you get all uppercase. Hello, how are you?
Hmm.
and your mm, your strings are immutable. Immutable means you cannot edit the string. You can overwrite, but you can't edit it. That means I cannot say str1 of 0 equal to k. I don't want to change everything. I just want to change one character. str1 of 0 will give me first character, right? I want to change it
Hmm.
to first character. So if you try to do it, it will not work. Okay, you get error. Okay,
Hmm.
string object does not support item assignment. Okay, so you cannot do this. Okay, if you want to do it, you have to say str1 equal to k plus str1 of, you don't want first character, say 1 colon till the end.
Hmm.
Okay, now if you print
Hmm.
str1, str1 will have updated value. So in a way, okay, we are
Hello. Hmm.
overwriting. We are
Okay.
overwriting, right? We are not editing. Editing will
Hmm.
not work. Okay, we call them as
Okay.
immutable means you can't edit it. That's what immutable
Okay.
means.
They will give another value.
Yes. Okay. So we'll stop here now. Let's connect
Okay.